Hey guys, this is Rome at Rome Knows Tech. So the second video for today, I'm going to show you guys how I'm using the keychain jig, combining them all together on the slide extension for the LaserPecker 4. So it's a little, convoluted how you can connect these so that they don't move. Now, you don't need all of these little pieces. You can 3D print each one of these and they just kind of lock into the track like you guys see here. I have some little small ones that I use kind of as braces. I have some 90-degree ones up there. You could print 4 of those and just completely, box this in if you wanted to. So, and you can also add a 4th one if you wanted to be able to create up to 4 of these keychains at one time, possibly even 5. But I say 4 would probably be a good point that you'd be able to do at least 4 to 5 of these at one time. And all of these little components, guys, you can 3D print them on any size 3D printer. I have the Anchor Make M5, so I have a much smaller bed to work with. But as you guys can see, I can print all of these little components and I can set this up. The laser is in its, slide extension orientation. So this is perfect for my setup. So hopefully, some of you guys, if you're out there and you've been trying to print some of these larger, type of jigs, like for business cards or for, keychains or anything like that. This is another option. You can just break it down into these little components. And like I said, all of these little pieces, like the one I just dropped, all of these little pieces, guys, they just pop out. And let me grab it. So as you guys can see what one of those little smaller pieces look like, hopefully the camera will focus on that. And this is just going to go right into here, and you're just going to lock that in, and then you'll be able to secure your piece or your 3D printed jig in place, no problem, just like that. Now, something I want you guys to be aware of, if you do print this one specifically, this one can only go in this orientation. But there's a second one, as you see here, that actually goes in the opposite. So be aware of when you're printing these that you're picking the right one. Let me see if I can get this off real quick. You see how tight this is? This does not come off easily, guys. So you got to really work to get these back out. So you don't have to worry about them falling out or anything like that. But as you guys can see here, there's 2 different orientations to how they connect. So just be aware of that depending on how you're going to set this up. I'm probably going to print a second one of these just so I could have another one right here at this end or another 90-degree or something like that. But like I said, this just goes in like so. And then you can place this like midway or something like that. You don't have to use 2 of them. And then that way you can lock it down and you don't have to worry about your pieces moving when you're going to be moving these in and out. But of course, you guys are also going to be not refocusing, but you'll be adding different graphics unless you're doing the same graphic over and over again. All right, guys, it's been Rome at Rome Knows Tech. I just wanted to put this video together again quick so you guys can see something else that I have 3D printed and how I'm currently using it with the LaserPecker 4. So hopefully this video has been helpful, and I will catch you guys all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I am out.